Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y20s, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So, to get started, we will need a SIM ejector. Now this comes provided with the device, so you can get it from the box, or also you can use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it will work just as well. So from there, let's pop out the tray, which looks to be located on the upper left side of the phone. Once you push it in, the tray will pop out. There, simply pull it out, and you will have space for two individual SIM slots. So these ones right over here, and one SD. So place them accordingly. I'm going to occupy one of each, as you can see, like so. Now make sure that the cards are laying flush, and then while holding them securely so they don't fall out, because well, there's nothing holding them, you want to slide it back into the device. There we go, and we should have a pin. Give it a second. There we go. So there's the pin for the SIM card. So obviously SIM card is working, and SD card is working as well. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.